1979 TVR 3000S track. Price, $15,000. Mileage, 999,999 miles. Location, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. A heavily modified 1979 TVR 3000S built as a serious track-focused machine with a long SCCA racing history and documented logbook credentials, including a national event win in the early 2000s. Finished in a bold yellow exterior with a black interior, the lightweight British chassis has been extensively re-engineered for modern performance while retaining its raw, analog racing character. Originally a rare sports car, it now stands as a purpose-built competition platform with significant mechanical upgrades and motorsport pedigree. Power comes from an Acura 3.2-liter V6 engine tuned for performance, producing approximately 265 wheel horsepower on the dyno. 1970 Ford Volkswagen Beetle Custom. Price, $11,500. Location, Houghton Lake, Michigan. A beautifully upgraded 1974 Volkswagen Beetle that blends classic air-cooled charm with modern performance enhancements and custom styling. Finished in the iconic Beetle silhouette with a clean, solid body presentation, this example stands out thanks to its Southern car origin and carefully maintained structure, including solid floor pans that preserve its long-term integrity. Subtle custom touches like LED headlights and underglow lighting give it a modern edge while still respecting its vintage identity. Power comes from a professionally built 1915 cubic centimeters air-cooled flat-4 engine assembled by California Motor Works, known for performance-oriented VW builds. 1958 Nash Metropolitan. Price, $7,500. Location, Bucyrus, Ohio. A charming and instantly recognizable 1958 Nash Metropolitan, built as one of the most iconic compact cars of the 1950s and still drawing attention wherever it goes. Finished in a classic small car silhouette with cheerful vintage proportions, this Metropolitan is the kind of cruiser that naturally turns heads thanks to its rare styling and nostalgic personality. Lightweight, compact, and full of character, it represents an era when small American cars were designed for simple, fun driving. Power comes from the factory-style small-displacement inline engine, designed more for reliability and economy than speed, but but perfectly suited for relaxed cruising and local driving. 1974 Lotus Super 8 Custom Supercar. Price, $27,000. Mileage, 700 miles. Location, Plymouth, Connecticut. A radically engineered 1974 Lotus Super 8 Custom build that blends lightweight British sports car DNA with extreme American V8 performance. Titled and VIN-tagged as a Lotus Elite S8, the car has been transformed into a near-track-ready supercar with a focus on raw power-to-weight dominance. Finished in a striking blue exterior, the bodywork sits over a heavily modified chassis that prioritizes minimal weight, maximum rigidity, and uncompromising performance capability. Power comes from a 406 cubic inch big bore, short-stroke SBC-derived V8 featuring forged internals, high compression, and a dry sump lubrication system. Producing approximately 620 horsepower with a documented dyno sheet, the engine delivers explosive acceleration in a car weighing only 1,920 pounds. 1937 Jaguar SS 100 kit car. Price, $5,500. Mileage, 700 miles. Location, Walkerton, Indiana. A 1937 Jaguar SS 100 style kit car that captures the elegant pre-war British roadster appearance while being built on a practical Volkswagen Beetle chassis. Finished in a classic brown exterior with a burgundy interior, the car delivers vintage-inspired styling with simplified mechanical underpinnings. Always garage-kept, it presents as a budget-friendly entry into the world of classic roadster replicas, combining nostalgic design cues with accessible maintenance and ownership. Power comes from the Volkswagen Beetle drivetrain, paired with a manual transmission that provides simple, lightweight, and easy-to-maintain operation. While not a high-performance setup, it delivers reliable cruising capability. 1971 Volkswagen Porsche 359 kit car. Price, $17,950. Mileage, 585 miles. Location, Center Valley, Pennsylvania. A beautifully preserved 1971 Volkswagen-based Porsche 359 kit car built by Classic Motor Carriages, capturing the iconic European sports car styling while riding on a proven VW platform. Finished in a striking red exterior with a tan interior, the fiberglass body is described as nearly flawless, sitting cleanly on a solid chassis that gives the car both visual appeal and dependable structure. With its low reported mileage since completion, the vehicle presents as a well-kept replica designed for enjoyment and show-quality appearance. Power comes from a 1,600 cubic centimeters dual-port Volkswagen flat-4 engine upgraded with twin Delorto carburetors, delivering improved airflow, sharper throttle response, and a more spirited driving experience than a stock setup. 1929 Ford Model S Speedster. Price, $15,500. Location, Marinette, Wisconsin. a spirited 1929 Ford Model A Speedster built in classic hot rod fashion, designed for lightweight performance and open-air driving excitement. Finished in traditional Speedster style with a stripped-down, performance-focused appearance, this Model A emphasizes raw driving feel and vintage mechanical character over modern refinement. Its minimalist design captures the early hot rod era spirit, where simplicity and speed define the build philosophy. Power comes from Ford's original Model A-based engine, enhanced with a new top-end assembly and a high-compression cylinder head, significantly improving performance over stock configuration. 1960 Austin Healey Bug-Eye Sprite. Price, $15,000. Location, Arlington, Tennessee. A well-preserved 1960 Austin Healey Bug-Eye Sprite that captures the lightweight British roadster spirit with tasteful performance upgrades and documented restoration history. Finished in classic open-top Sprite styling, the car retains its iconic frog-eye headlight design and compact proportions, making it one of the most recognizable and charming small sports cars of its era. With restoration work previously completed by a well-known Austin Healey specialist and full-service records available, it presents as a cared-for and mechanically sorted example. Power comes from a 1,275 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine upgraded with a performance exhaust header and larger 1.5-inch twin SU carburetors, improving airflow, throttle response, and overall drivability. 1958 Triumph TR3 Roadster. Price, $8,000. Mileage, 60,000 miles. Location, Terre Haute, Indiana. A classic 1958 Triumph TR3 Roadster that embodies the pure, minimalist spirit of British sports car design from the late 1950s. Finished in a striking red exterior with a black interior, this open-top roadster carries the timeless long hood, short deck proportions that made the TR3 a favorite among driving enthusiasts. Simple, mechanical, and engaging, it represents an era when driving enjoyment came directly from the connection between car and road. Power is delivered through Triumph's original inline-4 engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a lightweight and responsive driving experience.